Meticulous means very careful about small details. She is meticulous in her work. He keeps meticulous notes. The artist is meticulous. She planned everything meticulously. Ambiguous means unclear or having more than one meaning. His answer was ambiguous. The message is ambiguous. Her reply sounded ambiguous. The sign looks ambiguous. Intricate means very detailed and complex. For example, this drawing is intricate because it has many small connected parts. See how complex it is? Let's look at some examples of the word intricate. This design is intricate, meaning it's very detailed and complex. The pattern is intricate, so intricate describes something with many fine details. Resilient means able to recover quickly from difficulties. Bounce back. Let's look at some examples of resilience. First, she is resilient after failure. Next, the team stayed resilient. And finally, resilient people succeed. Inevitable means certain to happen. Let me write that on the board. Inevitable. Certain to happen. Change is inevitable. Growth is inevitable. Aging is inevitable. Progress is inevitable. Diligent means hardworking and careful. Hello, let's look at some examples using the word diligent. First, they are diligent learners. Next, diligent effort wins. And finally, a diligent worker succeeds. Versatile means able to do many different things. This tool is versatile. She is a versatile actor. A versatile player adapts. Profound means, or meaningful. It's often used to describe something with great insight or significance. For example, we might say, profound wisdom. Let's look at some examples of profound in a sentence. First, he gave a profound speech. Next, her words were profound. And finally, the idea is profound. Coherent means clear and logically connected. Let's look at some examples of coherent. Her speech is coherent. The essay is coherent. His argument is coherent. Pragmatic means practical and realistic. It means focusing on what is practical and realistic in a given situation. For example, let's look at some examples of pragmatic. First, he is pragmatic at work. Next, leaders stay pragmatic. And a pragmatic solution works.